Hello and welcome to a new episode of Smith Farm and Outdoors. In this particular video, I want to break away from the norm of doing reviews. I just want to show you what I did for my son. This is a Mossberg Patriot Predator 308 rifle. And this is my son Ellis's first rifle, his first deer rifle. I put a Nikon Monarch scope on this that I had on one of my rifles, and hand loaded him his first batch of 308 ammo for deer hunting. I've got a very similar rifle I've already done a review on, the Mossberg MVP Long Range in 308. So I already knew that this rifle was going to be a really good one, and it has turned out to be, so I'll show you a little bit in the video. Cerakoted, it's got a fluted barrel. I've added a Midwest Industries muzzle brake, basic sling. It does have a box magazine, which is nice, and Leopold mounts. It's got a nice camo pattern, Monte Carlo stock, and a pretty nice butt pad too. What we'll do now is show you a little bit of shooting it and sighting it down on the range, and then we take it hunting. All right, go.
Oh, come on.
Did you hit him?
I don't know. He jumped.
Safety.
Way closer.
All right, well, you got you a little buck.
Yep.
Yeah, he's not going to be so big. Be easy to clean. It'll taste good too.
Yep.
And we'll go tomorrow. Maybe we'll see us a bigger one too.
Hopefully.
So we'll let's see if we can track this guy down. So we gotta see. He was standing right in here. Need to find his first blood spot.
Right here.
Okay. Yeah. Right here.
Yeah, there's fur too.
Oh, we got some fur. Alright, well, you definitely got him. So let's see if we can track this guy down. He should start bleeding out pretty good right in here. Okay, yeah.
That's a good bit.
Yep. Alright, so we're gonna know this is the way he ran. There's blood here. Here.
There's blood over there.
Yep, here's a bunch. being able to track a deer down after you shoot him, because they'll run out of sight sometimes. You got to know how to do it. And if you get out here a little ways and you can't find any blood, you have one person stand where you saw the blood last, and then you kind of work your way zigzag out until you pick it up again. But I saw him run this way right here, so oh, here's some blood. So we know we're on the right way, on the right path.
Yeah, there's some more.
Like there's a bunch right here, here. Looks like we got a direction. Oh, a whole bunch here. Oh, a whole bunch here. With this much blood, I'm pretty sure you popped it right in the heart. Yeah, it's just a steady stream up through here. Look at that. Up here on these. Don't get it all over you. Good grief.
Yeah, there's some in here.
Yeah, I saw that. Alright, so we're gonna go up here. There's a bunch on these brush, but it don't look like he went through there. Oh, look, he's going right down this way. Looks like it's bleeding sideways. Yep. Oh, here's more on the trail right here. Here's some blood. Here's blood. Up in here. I don't see any paths right in there though. Let's see. Oh, I found a deer. Here's a deer. Let's make sure it's not breathing. It's not gonna kick you or gore you or anything like that. Yeah, he looks like he's gone. Alright, we'll cut the camera off here and get it out better where we can see it. Alright, so Ellis's first buck is a little buck with a broke horn, little spike. He's going to be a good eating little buck.
Okay.
Right there's his exit wound. And let's flip him over. Looks like our entrance wound's right here.
Yeah.
Right here. It's a pretty good shot. Wasn't that far. What about 20 yards?
Ish.
Wasn't bad. Pretty good shot straight to the heart, looks like. Alright, buddy. Proud of you. You finally got you a good deer.
Yep.
And we didn't lose this one.
No, we did not.
Alright, good.